Yes, good morning friends, how are you all? Fine, very good. Welcome back to online classes again. So already we completed and I started revision also. This is the third class of revision, that is number system. Okay na? Yes, still since yesterday we have studied about rational numbers, irrational numbers, how to locate the irrational numbers on the number line and decimal forms of irrational numbers. Like that we have all and rationalization also we have seen in last class. In this class, we will study or we will recall the 6 fundamental laws of exponents. Okay na? Right. For example, x into x. Okay. Otherwise, 2 into 2 into 2. That means what? 2 how many times I am writing? 3 times I am writing. So therefore, this 2 is nothing but base and this 3 is known as exponent. Okay na? This 2 is known as base and this 3 is known as exponent or power. We can say it is power also. Okay na? So we study some of the laws of these laws of these exponents. So very simple, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That means what? 3, how many times I am writing? 4 times. This I can write like this also, 1 plus 1 plus 1, because nothing is there with what? 1, 1, 1, 1. So it is nothing but again what? 3 to the power of 4. That means what? If the powers are same, if the bases are same, in case of multiplication, we can add the powers. Not only this, for example, 3 square into 3 to the power of 4. How to do this? Very, very simple. 3 square means 3, how many times you write? 2 times. 4 means 4 times. 3, 4. Now this can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, this can be written as 3 to the power of 6. Like that only, how to write this in general? How to write this in general? Therefore, general, that is first law. First law of exponent is a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. That means what? If the bases are same, in case of multiplication, we can add the powers, whatever may be the powers, whether m or 2 5 or 2 7 or 2 2 or 2 3 3, anyone. Okay na? Right. Next problem. 4 square divided by 4. So what we can write 4 square means? We can write 4 into 4. 4 again 4. Then what happened? 4 4 get cancelled. What is the answer? 4. Okay, one more example. 3 to the power of 4 divided by 3 square. Again you see, 3 to the power of 4 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 divided by 3 into 3. Then what happened? 1 3 1 3 second 3 second 3. What is the answer? 3 to the power of square. According to this problem, we can write this problem also. You see, 4 to the power of 2 minus 1 is equals to 4. Here also 3 to the power of 4 minus 2, therefore 3 square. One more example we study, like 5 cube divided by 5 to the power of 4. Now you see, 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5 divided by 5 to the power of 4 means 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay na? Now what happened? 1, 1, second, second, third, third. What is remaining? 1 by 5. Now you compare this. In case of these two, the power of numerator is greater than power of denominator. But here, the power of denominator is greater than power of numerator. Did you understand? That means what? Here, we can bring that side. 5 to the power of 4 minus 3. That is nothing but 1 by 5. Therefore, general we can write a to the power of m divided by a to the power of m equal to a to the power of m minus m if m is greater than n. Same thing, it is equals to 1 by a to the power of n minus m if n is greater than m. These two are very good, very important concepts. Understood? Yes. One more. So these laws are very, very important. On the basis of these laws only, our last exercise is there. Okay, na? Before solving that, we should know this. Next one. 5 square whole cube. Now I will think that this 5 square is nothing but one box or one circle. Therefore, how many circles I should write? 1, 2, 3 circles. Because it is 3. In circle, what is there? 5 square. 5 square and 5 square. Now, again 5 square I can written as one circle like this, again one circle. One circle, second circle. Third circle, fourth circle. That means what? 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Right? All are multiplied. Multiply, multiply, multiply. According to first law, what I can write? 5 to the power of 6 I can write. Correct? 5 to the power of 6 I can write. Next, one more problem. 3 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 2. Again, box. How many boxes you can write? 1, 2. So 3 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 4. So that is equals to, how can we write? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Second one, again 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So total 3 to the power of 8. So in general, how can we write third one? Very, very simple. A to the power of m whole to the power of n equal to a to the power of m into n. That means what? Here I can write 5 to the power of 2 into 3. Here 3 to the power of 4 into 2. 4 to the 8. 2 to the 6. Understood? Yes. One more law. 5 into 6 whole to the power of 3. Now, if I am taking this as a box, how many boxes we should write? 1, 2, 3. What is there in the box? 5 into 6. 5 into 6. 5 into 6. Now, this 5 we can separate and 6 are separate. 5. How many 5s are there? 3 5s. How many 6 are there? 6. This is and this is. By first law, 5 cube into 6 cube. Understood? Therefore, what we can write? Fourth law? Yes. A into B whole to the power of m equal to a to the power of m into b to the power of m. This is the fourth one. Okay? Yes. Next. Please understand them very clearly, because if you know the concept, then only you can solve the problems. Next one. 4 by 5 whole to the power of 3 is equals to 1 into 2 into 3. Because power is 3 means we have to write this box 3 times. One time, second time, third time. What is remaining in this? What is there in the box? 4 by 5. Again 4 by 5. So numerator what is there? 4, 4, 4. Therefore 4 into 4 into 4 divided by 5 into 5 into 5. Therefore what we can write? 4 to the power of according to law 4 cube divided by 5 cube. That's all. Okay na? Therefore what we can write here? A by B whole to the power of m equal to A to the power of m divided by B to the power of m. Okay na? Yes. One more last concept from this. Yes. What is the concept here? Very, very simple concept. 5 to the power of 3 divided by 5 to the power of 3. First we will see what it means. 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5. Here 5 into 5 into 5. Cancel, cancel, cancel. What is the answer? But according to second law, five to the power of 3 minus 3, therefore 5 to the power of 0. But what is the answer? 1. That means what? Anything to the power of 0 is equals to 1 except 0 to the power of 0. Okay na? So this is very, very important. Therefore, how many laws you can write? Sixth law. Anything to the power of 0 is always 1 except 0 to the power of 0. Please take down. Yes, here two problems he has given. We will find one by one. If a equal to 2 plus root 3, then find the value of a minus 1 by a. A equal to, there is no problem. We will see 1 by a equal to. 1 by a equal to what happened? 1 by 2 plus root 3. Since root 3 is the denominator, we should rationalize. So we should rationalize means what I told you. If it is plus means we have to take a minus, that is multiply and divide followed by 2 minus root 3. Therefore what happened? 2 minus root 3 as it is, and it is 2 square minus root 3 square. Therefore 2 minus root 3 divided by 4 minus 3. Therefore 2 minus root 3. Okay na? Yes. Now we will find out a minus 1 by a. A minus 1 by a. A is what? 2 plus root 3. Minus 1 by a equal to 2 minus root 3. Therefore, 2 plus root 3 minus 2 plus root 3. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Root 3 plus root 3, 2 root 3. Therefore, a minus 1 by a equal to 2 root 3. Okay na? Did you understand? Yes. Now here, very, very simple. If you rationalize this answer will come, but b value will be different. That value we have to find. Very, very simple. First you take root 2 plus root 3 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Because here it is minus is there, therefore we have to take plus. Now very, very simple. That is equals to. Now multiply root 2 into root 2 will become 2, 2, 3 is 6. Next, root 2 into root 3, root 6, 2 root 6. Again plus. 3 into 3, that is 3 root 6. Plus 2 into 3 is again 6 divided by, next, 3 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 3 whole square. Now what happened? 6 plus 6, 12, plus 2 root 6, 3 root 6. Total how much? 5 root 6. Divided by 3 square is 9, 9 to the 18 minus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12. Okay na? Yes? 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. 9 into 2, 4 into 3. Right. Next. Now you take 12 plus 5 root 6. Yes, 2 root 3. Yes, 3. Divided by 6. Okay na? Yes. You can do it like this. 12 by 6 plus 5 root 6 divided by 6. It is nothing but 2. Therefore, 2 plus 5 root 6 by 6. Therefore, you compare with 2 minus b root 6. Therefore, b equal to minus 5 by 6. That is zero. Yes, see the set of problems. Very simple. See, first you understand the problem. 64 to the power of 1 by 2. That means what? 64 should expand such a way that it should have the power must be 2. Power must be 2. Power must be 2 means what? 100% 64 should be a perfect square only. Do you know what is the perfect square meaning means? A number which is multiplied by itself is equal to perfect square. Now 64 can be written as 8 square. Now what is the answer? 1 by 2. Now according to the fifth law, what it says? 8 to the power of 2 into 1 by 2. 2 cancel. Answer is what? 8 only. Did you understand? Very simple. Next, 32 can be expressed in the form of power, so that its power must be, yes, 5. If for example, if you don't know means you can do it like this. Yes, 2 1 ja, 2 16 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja. That means what? 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 to the power of 1 by 5 whole to the power of 1 by 5. Therefore 2 to the power of 5 into 1 by 5, 5 cancel. What is the answer? Answer is 2. Very simple problems. Right. Next. 125 also same. You can do like this. 5 2 ja, 5 5 ja, 5 5 ja, again 5 1 ja. Therefore 5 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Therefore 5 to the power of 3 into 1 by 3, 3 cancel. What is the answer? 5. So very simple problems. Next, here 9, we know that it is nothing but 3 square whole to the power of 3 by 2. Therefore 3 to the power of 2 into 3 divided by 2. 2 cancel. It is nothing but 3 cube. 3 into 3 into 3 is nothing but equal to 27. Any doubt? Yes. Next. Again 32 we have done here. We do like this. 2 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 2 by 5. Again what happened? 2 into 5 into 2 by 5. 5 cancel. So 2 square What is the answer? 4 like this. Okay na? So these are all depends upon your laws of exponents only. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 problems. Okay na? Please take down. Yes, one more set of problems. You see, 16 to the power of 3 by 4. So 16 can be written as, you can write like this: 16, 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja. So 2 to the power of 4 divided by 3 by 4 is equals to 2 to the power of 4 into 3 by 4. 4 4 cancel. 2 cube. 2 cube means answer is 8. Next. Actually, power is minus means actually we should do down only. Okay na? That means what? Reciprocal you have to do. Okay? No problem. 5 to the power of cube divided by minus 1 to the power of 3. That is 5 cube into minus 1 by 3. 3 3 cancel. 5 to the power of minus 1 is nothing but equal to 1 by 5. Right? Next. 2 to the power of into is there, therefore we have to do plus. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. 2. What is the LCM? 15. 3 5 ja, 5 2 ja, 10. 5 3 ja, over. So it is nothing but 13 by 15. Therefore 2 to the power of 13 by 15. 3 5 ja, 5 2 ja, 10, 5 3 ja. Okay, right. Next. Very simple. 1 by 3 to the power of 3 into 7. It is nothing but 1 by 3 to the power of 21 or 3 to the power of minus 21. That's all. Okay na? Next one. 11 to the power of minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. 11 to the power of 4 is there. So 4 means 2 minus 1. Therefore 11 to the power of 1 by 4. Okay na? Next to this problem. Same, 7 into 8, 1 by 2, therefore 56 to the power of 1 by 2. Or you can write 56 means, yes, nothing, no. Okay? Yes, like this you have to problem. Yes. One more set of problems. See, 1 by 27 to the power of minus 2 by 3 is there. Very, very simple. See, both reciprocal I will do so that minus will become plus. Therefore, 27 whole to the power of 2 by 3 it will become. Now, 27 means what? 3 cube. Whole to the power of 2 by 3. Again. 3 to the power of 3 into 2 by 3. 3 3 cancel. 3 square. 3 square means what is the answer? It is 9. Okay na? Come here. 64 to the power of minus 1 by 3. Here 64 can be written as 4 cube. Whole to the power of 1 by 3 minus 4 to the power of cube whole to the power of 2 by 3. Here you see 1 by 64 to the power of 1 by 3. Here 3 3 cancel 4 minus 3 3 cancel 4 square. Okay na? Now here it is, yes, otherwise you can write like this 64, yes, 64 means 4 cube whole to the power of minus 1 by 3 Therefore 4 cube into minus 1 by 3 cancel. 4 minus 8, 4 square is 16. Now it is nothing but minus 4 to the power of is equals to 4 to the power of minus 1 into minus 12. So minus 12 divided by 4 is equals to minus 3 is the answer. Okay? Yes. Next one, very simple. You can write 8 to the power of 1 by 3 into 60 to the power of 1 by 3. If you take here 32 to the power of 1 by 3, or 8 into 16 into 32 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Now very simple. 8 means 2 cube. It is nothing but 2 to the power of 4. Here 2 to the power of 5 divided by 1 to the power of 3. Okay na? Now 2 cube is, now you can write 2 to the power of 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 5 12, 4 to the power of 1 by 3. Therefore 2 to the power of 12 into 1 by 3, 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. Yes, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 4 means answer is 16 like this. Okay na? So like this problems we can do very simply. Yes, this is the last problem of this number system exercise, that is revision exercise. You see, simplify 7 root 3 by root 10 plus root 3 minus 2 root 5 divided by root 6 plus root 5 minus 3 root 2 by root 15 plus 3 root 2. Very simple. First we will take 7 root 3 divided by root 10 plus root 3. So multiplied by root 10 minus root 3 divided by root 10 minus root 3. Therefore, if you do, what happens? 7 into root 30 minus 21 divided by root 10 whole square minus, yes, root 3 square. It is nothing but equal to, you can write like that only, 7 root 3 into root 10 minus root 3 divided by 10 minus 3. So it is equals to 7 root 3 into root 10 minus root 3 divided by 7, 7, 7 cancel. Okay na? Therefore, how much it will come? Root 30 minus 3. This is the first one. Okay na? Now second one. 2 root 5 divided by root 6 plus root 5 into root 6 minus root 5 divided by root 6 minus root 5. Now very simple. We will take like this only. 2 into root 30 minus 2 5 is 10 over. This is second one. Third one. 3 root 2 divided by root 15 plus 3 root 2 into root 15 minus 3 root 2 divided by root 15 minus 3 root 2. Now multiply 3 root 30 minus 3 root 2, 3 root 2, 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18 divided by, very simple, 15 minus 3 square is 9. 9 into 2, 18. So it is nothing but equal to, yes, 3. If you take common outside, what will become? Root 30 minus 6 divided by minus 3. Cut. Therefore 6 minus root 30. Okay na? Plus 30 and root 30. Yes. Yes, this is third one. Now take one by one. First one, that is root 30 minus 3. Second one, that is minus is there, minus 2 root 30 plus 10. This is minus 6 plus root 30. Okay na? Now, how many root 30 are there? This root 30, root 30, root 30, 2 root 30s and 2 root 30 gone. Here, 10 minus 9, what is the answer? Yes. So this is a like this answer, and it will be for 5 marks question. It will be a 5 marks question. Okay na? Take down.